Most people think building wealth takes a lifetime. They're wrong. You can change your entire financial trajectory in exactly 90 days. But only if you're willing to stop playing it safe. Here is the blueprint. Clock's ticking. Let's get to work. Step 1. The audit. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. You're bleeding cash in places you don't even realize. Subscriptions, convenience fees, mindless spending. For the next 7 days, track every single cent, no excuses. When you see the numbers, it's going to hurt. Good, use that pain as fuel. Step 2, the cut. This isn't about skipping lattes, this is about radical surgery. Kill everything that doesn't bring you closer to your goal. If it's not an investment, it's a liability. The goal isn't to look rich, the goal is to be wealthy. Stop funding a lifestyle you haven't earned. Saving is defense, you need to play offense if you want to win. Step 3, the multiplier. You can't just cut your way to millions, you have to earn. Spend the next 60 days obsessing over one high-value skill. Sales, coding, media buying, something the market actually values. Work while everyone else is sleeping. The 3-month mark is where the momentum shifts. By day 90, you won't just have more money, you'll have a different mindset. Wealth isn't a destination, it's a habit, and habits are built in 90 days. Are you going to keep watching videos, or are you going to start the clock? Your new life starts the second you decide it does. 90 days from now, you could be a different person. The blueprint is in your hands. Now go execute. I'll see you at the top.